Hello everyone, my name is Pabin Alam Khan. Today I am here to make a 5-minute reflection video what I learned in this week. So now uh, in this uh, in this week lecture I learned about here the introduction part. So in this week I learned about the basic of data and signals and how they are used in communication system. One of the first things I understand was that data is actual information like text, audio, or files, and signals are the form used to carry that information from one place to another. This idea was explained in the early lecture slide and gave me a strong foundation for the topics. Another important part of the lecture was the difference between analog and the digital signals. Analog signals are continuous while digital signals are made up of discrete values such as 0s and 1s. I learned that digital signals are more reliable because they are the less affected by noise. This is very important in networking because it accurate data transmission is necessary. I also learned about the three components of a signals, which are amplitude, frequency, and phases. In amplitude, it shows the strength of signal. Frequency shows how fast the signal repeats, and phase shows the position of the wave. By changing these values, I could see how the signal changes, which made the theory easier to understand. The lecture also introduced attenuation, which means here all the slide rates of the data signal transmitted analog data with analog signal. So now just this lecture also introduced the attenuation, which means signal loss over distance. This show me why signals become weaker when they travel through a medium and why the devices such as repeaters are needed in network. Lastly, I learned about the encoding techniques such as NRZL, NRZI, and the Manchester. This method are used to represent binary data and as digital signals. This part helped me understand how data is prepared for transmission in a real communication system. Overall, this lecture and lab improved my understanding of how signals works and how data is transmitted in a network environment. So these are the things I learned in this week. So thank you so much.